Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
I addressed students at the collectorate on Independence Day. Sunburn coming to Lothuli. I was also asked by another reporter who sort of barged in and said, there you spoke about staying away from drugs, sort of it was an anti-drug stand. And here you're bringing sunburn to Lothuli, which is drugs. To which I said, drugs are available all over. What I meant with that statement was that I didn't mean specific, but all over. A general statement, which I'm sure you all will agree. And then I also went a step further and asked the reporter, or told the reporter, that the time has come wherein we should also join the movement against drugs or the availability of drugs. And I said we should cooperate with the police. Whatever we know, we should tell the police. So I have said that drugs are available all over. You can take that all over the world also. It was a general statement that was made. I didn't mean specific here. Unfortunately, as far as media is concerned, with due respect to you all pick just that part that is spicy enough to create a sensation.
मजगती गोय काँग्रेसीन मंत्री अलेस सिकेरा आड एनसीबी कडे कागाळ केला. ताची चौकशी करची म्हूण काँग्रेसीची मागणी.
राज्याचो कायदो मंत्री जर स्टेटमेंट करता की ड्रग्स आर एव्हरीवेअर, दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग, आणि अशें जाल्यार एक गजाल प्रूव जाता की ज्यो लॉ एन्फोर्समेंट एजन्सीज आसा त्यो मागीर नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्युरो, लोकल युनिट आसूं ऑर एंटी नार्कोटिक्स सेल आसूं ऑर गोवा पुलीस आसूं, ते कंप्लिटली फेल जाले हे कंट्रोल करपाक. आणि तातूंच्यान आमचे फ्युचर जनरेशन जे आसा ते त्याच प्रमाणे जे गोंय देशभरच्यान जे पर्यटक येता आनी भायले देशांतले जे पर्यटक गोंयांत येता तांचो सुद्धा फ्युचर म्हाका दिसता एक डेंजरान आसा. कंट्रोल करची म्हणून आमी डायरेक्टर जनरल नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्युरो कंप्लेन केल्या.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.